Hello guys, you're welcome to Mixing with Mandul Johnson. Today I'm not mixing, I'll be walking you through a short section of the song I'm working on. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. Okay, so this is a project I'm working on for someone. I'll just walk you through. I want to turn the loop I have into some kind of effects that I can hear in my head. So I'll bounce in place, I'll increase the gain so it will be loud. I'm sure during mix I'm going to play around with it, but basically what I have now in my head, I'll just drop it down. So this is how the loop sounds without the clap though. Yeah. So this is how the loop sounds. Now I'll just put a phaser on it. Yeah. Then I'll put an effect called origin. Yeah. Just to have some saturation. I want it to have that vinyl kind of sound. Like some scratch in it. So that's my FX. I'm sure I'll add a Waves NS1, something like that, to just play around with how it sounds. Yeah. So the claps, there's some claps down there. We recorded, I and my studio assistant, we stood around the mic and we just clapped and recorded. That's how I got my clap. I think, so I want to play something for on the piano right here. Just ideas coming, flooding into my head right now. So I'll play this piano line. Now this piano is not the final piano because I am going to be recording live drums on this track. So this is basically the guide, but certainly this idea I have should remain in the original song because I like it. So let's go. I am fixing my eyes, da 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 ba 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 ba. Okay, so I use the Logic shortcut to bring out my recording, so I could be playing. Logic records everything in the background, so you could be playing, and if you like the idea you just recall it. So you simply press Shift R for Logic to, it's called capture recording. If maybe you might need to activate it somewhere, I'm not so sure. I think it's there, it's always active in the background. So I won't quantize my keyboard except for that last note at the end. It's a little bit off, so I'll just quantize it to stay properly. Okay, change my quantized value back to 16th note. Yeah, and that should be it. So I like the idea happening here. I like what's going on in the music. Let me find something else. I think so I'm going to add a synth pad. Yeah, that happens once in a while. The ideas keep changing in the head. Same vision, just little variations. Okay, so I'll quantize this one. I think next thing I'll just play a bass line just because I feel like building this place first. Now literally the bass, the keyboard, the drums will be replayed. guitars, for the acoustic guitars, I have what I want already, but I might add one or two. So right now I'll just jump into recording my bass. This is just a guide, so nothing. I just want to drop the idea down. This is a studio session. My song is in G. I am certainly tuning my bass to G. So I pick G and I tune, I pick D and I tune, just for it to sound tight. I'm not going to tune E, A, D, G, B. I would tune G proper. So my root, my fifth, my fourth, basically I'll make sure the bass is in tune. Alright, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and drop your comments. Alright, so after about 12 takes, getting a successful bass line, I came up with something. So right now I'm going to quantize my bass. I just want my bass to sound very much solid. Title of my song is Fixing My Eyes. I want the bass to sound fixed to the grid. So just some extra thing you could do to make your music sound, give it more emotion. I feel the bass should be tight. So even when the live bass is recorded, I would do this quantization in Pro Tools. Pro Tools does it. I think Pro Tools does it better, or I can do it better in Pro Tools than in Logic Pro. Thank you. So I'll just quickly fix some of the things that didn't go well as planned. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'll just change, just to be enjoying my work while I work. I'll just change some of these samples for the drum kit. Another kick. I'm not sure what kick I want yet, but for the toms, I know I'm certain of which one I'm going for. Yeah, not this side, the other guy. Yeah. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this process. If there's anything you would want me to do, write it down. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can drop a comment. Thank you so much. See you again next time.